For man, forests have always been an inexhaustible source of the most precious resource, wood. Man has made just about everything life requires from it. Even nowadays, we use many things which originate from forests. We furnish our homes with wood products and fixtures. And wood is also a raw material for the production of further products, such as various types of paper, consumer and industrial packaging materials, and sanitary products. Wood usage is permanently growing on an international scale. The exploitation of wood is intensifying, and it is expected that in 2015 it will have increased by 27%. About 60% is processed as timber, the remainder as pulp and paper. Web trading specializes in the development and production of technology for the initial processing of raw wood into timber. Our mission is to meet the most demanding current and future requirements for the processing of wood. Being the leading company in this field means making use of the opportunities inherent in growing markets. The highest priority, however, remains responsibility for the state of the environment in the interests of long-term survival. Web trading lowers the environmental load by using technology which minimizes losses and maximizes the use of raw materials in the initial stages of processing. Traditional technological log processing places the emphasis on production quantity. Large amounts of waste served as the stimulus for finding a means of re-evaluating the process. Limited lumber resources and the growing need for quality timber brought about new requirements in terms of the effectiveness of the technology used. The web trading UPK 1000 dual disc angular saw represents a modern lumber cutting concept. The unique construction provides an entire range of advantages. It essentially raises the number of radial profiles and recoveries. The technical conversion guarantees high longitudinal dimensional precision, perfect surface design, lowered average lumber cost constraints, and increased worker safety. The effectiveness of the operation increases the simplicity of handling, the speed of cutting equipment changes, and the ease of maintenance. The uniqueness of the tool's technical design lies in the placement of the cutting tools. The two right-angled rotary saws, each with an independent controller, are driven by separate electric motors. The settings of the reciprocal positions of the discs define the size of the respective cutting profile. The loader and its track are manufactured as 3-meter modules, and the overall length of the installed track depends on the purpose of use and the customer's individual needs. Prior to being cut, the lumber is loaded, positioned appropriately, and clamped on the feeder. Commands are sent via the control panel. In addition to the active elements regarding motion control, the control panel also includes blunting warnings, lumber foreign contingent warnings, and correct loading signalization. The optimal lumber load unit represents a separate section. The speed of the loader can be fully regulated and set according to the size of the load and the hardness of the respective wood. The maximum load speed is 1 meter per second. The UPK 1000 provides wood processors with a host of benefits. The possibility to set various dimensions for cutting one piece of lumber minimizes waste and maximizes recoveries. The UPK 1000 can achieve 10 to 20% increases in comparison with traditional technologies. The construction design of the frame, The mounting of the rotary subassemblies and feeders, as well as the rigidity of the loader and the tracks, guarantee high-profile dimension precision. The movement of the disc saws can be controlled with precision of up to 0.1 millimeters. The use of the disc saws embedded in hard metal plates or in combination with cutter blades only serves to increase the quality of the cut surface finish. The construction of the saw allows the processing of hard lumber and soft wood, even to oversized diameters such as 1 meter. The independent motion control and horizontal and vertical disc positioning allows various profiles to be cut in one clamping without the need for the lumber to be rotated 90 degrees. Should it be so required, it is possible to produce an 80% shear lamina with ring radial priming, which is important when producing glued wood sections. The saw also performs 2 cuts at 2 different levels, whereby the result of one movement is a finished section. The result is greater work productivity with lowered operator requirements. In addition to this, lumber sorting according to diameter is not required prior to sawing preparation. Replacing the saw discs takes approximately 3 to 5 minutes, which significantly reduces downtime. The manufacturer recommends that iron-embedded high-quality standardized rotary saws by renowned companies be used. The adjustable grub screws are protected from dust. The guides and the tracks inside the machine are easily accessible, something that makes cleaning easier. Maintenance and lubrication demands for the machine are marginal, something which is facilitated by the lowered dust being vacuumed away. The installation of the saw on the workshop floor takes only a few hours, and the entire machine can be moved to another location should need be. The UPK 1000 is the ideal solution for processors who produce a wide range of timber or process various types of wood, for processors who require flat profile precision or produce various profiles with the radial priming for further processing in terms of gluing, or for those who process oversized lumber or produce 18 cubic meters of cut timber for modification depending on the respective assortment. The quality of the UPK 1000 has been appreciated by wood processors not only in Slovakia, but also in the Czech Republic, Hungary, the Ukraine, Belarus, Romania, and Russia. The excellent price-to-performance ratio provides a swift return on your investment. The UPK 1000 is a patent-protected product and has been awarded prizes at many international specialist exhibitions and trade fairs. The UPK 1000 is manufactured in compliance with Directive 2006/42/ES of the European Parliament, as well as the therein related harmonization norms. The UPK 1000. Quality, variability, precision, effectiveness.